Hi, and welcome to Unique Spirits, where we have got some new tarot decks. So, this one is called the Deviant Moon Tarot. So, kind of like an unboxing, I guess, however you want to see this. Never used this deck. So excited because I have seen this deck a million times. And look how beautiful this deck is. Yes. So beautiful. So let's do a quick little reading. We will put up some sage. You see that? Yes. And we're going to clean and cleanse the cards. Alright. Let's see. Let's give us a reading for our new deck. It's such a small deck. It's like perfect for the hands. For small hands. Perfect. It is like a beautiful size. Oh, here we go. Ooh. So it's about having strength to see things in a new and different light. Because things are changing and things aren't going to be the same. So you are going to have to stand strong and really almost be fearless in your own power. You're going to need to figure out what your balance is and where to find it. Oh. And that, my friend, is where you're going to find your 10 of Pentacles and your 9 of Cups. Your happiness, your wish fulfillment, and like everything that you could possibly desire when it comes to abundance up in one. And that's what I have for you for this beautiful new unboxing of the Deviant Moon Tarot Deck. Peace, love, light, namaste.